Hello, welcome to the channel once again. We got the Dahua DVR. We're going to be unboxing and doing configuration. This is for the hard drive. Or we're not putting any hard drive on this here. So 16 channel DVR, just with the normal VGA and HDMI, two USB. So we'll be powering this now. Yeah, I'm going to be isolating my network from the one I have running already. I'm going to isolate it with this TP-Link router here so that I can access and do everything locally. Okay, I have the DVR here and I have a switch down here, but I'm going to connect this to this TP-Link. I want to connect it to this TP-Link from the TP-Link to this, then from here to the DVR so that I can access the web interface. From this to I either connect wirelessly to my system or I connect through the LAN to my system just to access this guy. Okay, when you power your DVR for the first time, this is the monitor, this is the screen, how it looks like. You select your region. I always like connecting external keyboard to my DVR. It makes it easier rather than clicking, which will make it so inconveniencing. Okay, I've selected Nigeria and English, video standard, PAL is normal. Online updates. This update thing is always annoying at times, so I think I'll turn this off or on. Let me keep it off for now. Then next. Okay, agreement. Nobody really have time to read this, but it's necessary you go through the whole of this agreement. It's not even scrolling. Okay, limitation and liability, blah blah blah. Yeah, next. Then password and username. So I'm just going to use the default admin. Okay, admin 123. Okay, same thing with admin 123. Then password hint. I don't think I'll put the password hint on this one, so I will just next. Then pattern, I always like keeping it simple, so draw it again. Although this is just a test though, when you are doing this installation for a residential person or company or an institution or wheresoever you're doing the installation for, you will know the kind of pattern. They will actually select the pattern for you. Okay, reserved email, so I'm going to put mine as an installer so that any issues that comes up later can be handled by me. tm at gmail. Okay, security questions want your favorite, as an installer I can do this, but I don't think I will need this. I can set it up later. So next. Okay, internal. Okay, I'm connected to I told you I was going to connect this router, this TP-Link home router, to the switch. From the switch, so it's just going to run. So the switch is actually, I've not even powered it on yet. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a commando switch, and will manage 24 port switch PoE with 4 SFP ports. So it's coming up, but I think it's up now. So the IP address the DVR is carrying is still on the range at which my TP-Link is giving out is DHCP, the DHCP pool of my TP-Link. So missing 192.168.1.1082k, it's still in place. Subnet mask is correct, 255.255.255.0. DNS is okay, and there's okay, that's Google's DNS, and that's fine. So if I actually want to turn on DHCP is not turned on now, so I can just leave this like this, except I come edit, turn on DHCP here. Okay, the DVR is going to get its IP address from this guy based on this guy's DHCP pool. DHCP server is turned on, so it's going to give it an IP address automatically. So let's check, and okay, it's still carrying 192.168.1 based on it's still on the same range, so we can just test. Okay, yeah, it's going for no packet was lost, everything network status is okay. Destination IP, which is the IP address of my TP-Link, is 192.168.1.1, which is the default gateway. So I can go back and click on next, scan to download mobile client and the rest. Okay, click on next. I will do this later. Status now is offline because I didn't insert, my router is not connected to the internet, so I'll just click on next here. Yes, this is network disk manager, the record, so motion general. I'll just leave this on default now, and I'll activate this later. And there's no hard drive inside, HDD, there's no hard drive inside, so I'll click on OK. And the monitor supports 1920 by 1080 resolution. Do you want to change it to the device resolution? And let's click OK and see if it comes up. Okay, thank you for purchasing our products. Thank you too